Dear students, Namaskar. Welcome to class 5. This is our first class. We are going to start chapter number 1, Evolution of Computers. In this chapter, we are going to learn early calculating devices, generation of computers, types of computers, and characteristics of computers. Dear students, it is said that the necessity is the mother of invention. So, what is the necessity that led to the invention of computer and later its evolution? The necessity of counting big numbers and calculating it fast and getting accurate result is the necessity of inventing devices that can do this task very fast and in accurate manner. It said that Rome was not built in a day. Similarly, computer was also not built or developed in a day. The present-day computer was developed slowly and steadily from very simple devices like abacus, hyperbone, and Pascaline calculator, and so on. The gradual development of something is known as evolution. In this chapter, we are going to go through the journey of evolution of computer. Early calculating devices. In early times, people used fingers, stones, and bones for calculation. Later, the Chinese developed the abacus, which helped in counting large numbers. The abacus was the first calculating device. Abacus was mainly used by merchants and traders who needed to count the items they sold abroad. It was also used to perform basic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Further, developments led to the invention of different machines for calculation. Napier's bones. Napier's bones was invented by John Napier in 1670. It consists of rectangular rods made up of bone, ivory, wood, or metal. These rectangular rods had numbers written on them. Napier's bones was mainly used for multiplication. It is shown in the figure Pascaline calculator. The Pascaline calculator was developed by Blaise Pascal in 1642. It could only do addition and subtraction with numbers being entered by manipulating its dial. Pascal invented the machine for his father, a tax collector. Next, difference engine. The difference engine was designed by Charles Babbage in 1837. It was designed to do mathematical operations automatically. It was one of the earliest automatic calculators. Analytical engine. The analytical engine was developed by Charles Babbage in 1837. It was a new kind of mechanical computer that could solve complex calculations, including multiplication and division. The basic parts of analytical engine resemble the components of a simple computer system. It had five units: input, output, store, mill, and control. Charles Babbage is considered the father of computers after his invention and concept of analytical engine. The mill was similar to a modern computer CPU. It executed the operations on values retrieved from the store, which we could consider memory. It was the world's first general purpose computer. First generation computer, period 1940 to 1958. Main technology, it uses vacuum tubes. Input and output, punch cards. Processing speed, calculate data in milliseconds, that is 10 to the minus 3 seconds. They were very large in size because vacuum tubes are very big, but at small storage capacity, they consume a large amount of energy. It is again also because of the vacuum tube. Some other disadvantages of vacuum tubes are it produces a lot of heat. So the first generation computer have to be cooled. And the major disadvantage of vacuum tube was it burns out or gets damaged very quickly. Example of first generation computer. ENIAC, electronic, numerical, integrator, and calculator. It is the first general purpose electronic computer. It was developed by J. Eckert and J. Moseley in 1946. Second example, UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. It was the first commercially available computer developed by J. Eckert and J. Moseley in 1951. Second generation computer. With the advancement of technology, that is, as the transistors have been invented, the second generation computer evolved. Period is from 1959 to 1963. Main technology used was transistors. One transistor replaces the equivalent of 40 vacuum tubes. Because of this, the size of the second generation computer was less than the size of the first generation computer. Input and output, they use punch card and magnetic tapes for input and output of data. Processing speed, it calculates data in microsecond, that is 10 to minus 6 seconds. They were faster, cheaper, and more efficient than the first generation computers. They were smaller in size than the first generation computers. They were costly and could be used only for specific purpose. Example, IBM 1401, RCA 501, and Honeywell 200. Third generation computer. Third generation computer evolved after the invention of integrated circuits. Period was 1954 till 1970. Main technology used was integrated circuits. An IC is also called chip and may contain thousands of transistors. Since an IC contains thousands of transistors, so the size of the third generation computer becomes more smaller than that of the second generation computer. Input and output. They use keyboard for input of data and monitors for its output. Processing speed is in nanoseconds, that is 10 to minus 9 seconds. They were smaller, faster, cheaper, and more efficient than the second generation computer. Hence, they were available to the general public. Example, IBM 360, Apple I, and ICL 1900 are some examples. Generation computer. Fourth generation computer was evolved after the invention of microprocessors. Period 1971 till present, it is still continuing. Technology, microprocessors. Microprocessors are very large-scale integrated circuits which contain thousands of ICs on a single chip. Because of this, the fourth generation computer is smaller than that of the third generation computer. Input and output. Fourth generation computer use keyboard, mouse, scanner, and so on for its input, and monitor, printer, speakers, and so on for its output. Processing speed, picosecond, that is 10 to minus 12 seconds. They are much smaller, faster, and cheapest among all the previous generations, and they have high storage capacity. Example, IBM PC, Apple Macintosh, HP 9000 are few examples. Generation computer. Fifth generation computer is still in its evolving stage. It uses many technologies like biochips, which is made up of fiber, protein fiber, ULSI, that is ultra large scale integration. It may consist of lakhs of ICs in a single chip. It based on parallel processing hardware and artificial intelligence. Input and output, voice or speech recognition, touch device, and handwriting recognition are used as input. An output device, depending on the type of the application. Processing speed, femtosecond, 10 is to minus 15 seconds. Example, robot. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a technology that enables a computer to think like humans and perform human-like tasks such as voice recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. Fifth generation computer have the ability to recognize image and voice and also ability to solve complex problems including decision making and logical reasoning. Then we come to an end of this class today. In next class, we'll go through types of computers, characteristics of computers, limitations of computers. Till then, be healthy. Bye. Thanks for your patience hearing.